Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SendGrid for transactional email deliverability detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, navigate to the SendGrid website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to choose a plan. Select the plan that best suits your email needs. Fill in your email address, password, and organization name in the registration form. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You will receive an email confirmation to verify your email address. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the SendGrid website and log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the SendGrid dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section on the left-hand menu. Click on Sender Authentication to set up your domain for transactional emails. In the Sender Authentication section, select Authenticate your domain. Follow the prompts to choose your domain provider. You will receive specific DNS records that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Log in to your domain provider and locate your DNS management area. Add the provided DNS records to your domain's DNS configuration. After adding the records, return to the SendGrid dashboard. Click on the Verify button next to the DNS records you added. Once SendGrid verifies your domain, you can move to the next step. Next, navigate to the API Keys section in the Settings menu. Click on Create API Key to generate a unique key for your application. Give your API key a descriptive name and set the desired permissions. Click on Create and View to generate and view your new API key. Make sure to store your API key securely, as this will be used for sending transactional emails. Now, you can integrate SendGrid with your application using the generated API key. Follow the documentation provided by SendGrid to implement email sending in your code. Test your integration to ensure that transactional emails are sent successfully. Finally, monitor your email performance through the analytics provided in the SendGrid dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.